Hi, I'm Dario with 4seating.com, and today we'll be showing you how to replace a motor on your power recliner. There's only two tools we'll need today, your 7/16 socket wrench and some wire cutters. So to get started, let's disconnect the power supply to the chair. We're going to pull back the quick disconnect, separate the cables. Now we're going to pull back the skirt, and this will give us access to our power headrest and power lumbar cable. So these are also quick disconnects. We're going to pull back, separate the two, just like that. So once you have the cable separated, now we're going to go ahead and put the chair on its back, and that's going to give us access to the motor in the front. Okay, now that we have the chair on its back, we're going to try to locate the quick disconnect. So to do so, we're going to follow the cable from behind the motor, and it's going to go down this beam. It's going to be in one or two locations. Mine happens to be right here. Second location is going to be in the armrest. If it's in the armrest, all you're going to do is remove these two staples right here, pull on this cable, and you'll have access to the quick disconnect. So since ours is right here, we're going to go ahead and remove the zip ties and disconnect it. Okay, now that this is disconnected, we're going to pull the two cables we disconnected earlier from the power backrest and the power lumbar. We're going to reach back in here, pull these out. Now all the wiring is disconnected. Now we can go ahead and disconnect the bolts for the motor. Now we're going to grab our 7/16 and just start removing them. Now we're just going to go ahead and remove the motor. We're going to put this aside. Now we're going to grab our new motor. Let me get these two started first. I'm not going to tighten those down all the way. I'm going to now install the middle ones. All right, get the last ones in the bottom. All right, once that's done, just go ahead and tighten everything up. All right, now that we got everything tightened down, now it's time to replace all the cables. So we're going to get everything reconnected. So we're going to start off by first reconnecting the quick disconnect here, clip that down, and we're going to zip tie this back down in place. Once that's done, we're going to refeed the cables back into the backrest for the power lumbar and power headrest. Now that that's done, we're going to go ahead and put the seat back up. Okay, now that we have the chair back up, now we're ready to connect all the cables. So we're going to have access to our power headrest and power lumbar cables here. We're going to connect the two together. Make sure it's locked in and snug. Once that's done, we're going to go ahead and pull the skirt back down and connect our power supply. Make sure the clips are in tight, and we're actually done. Thank you for your time today. If you have any further questions or concerns, visit fourseating.com.